In this video, we will show you how to cut small packaging box with Okipro 9541 and finish it with Label Maker F35. With Okipro 9541, it takes digital printing to a new level with the option of printing in CMYK plus the addition of a fifth spot color in white or clear gloss for high quality. After printing the design, stack up the printed sheets on the printing tray. The Label Maker F35 is an automatic sheet feeding and cutting system designed to automatically load and cut without the need of an operator. With Label Maker F35, you can load up to 200 sheets. This innovative desktop cutter supports a variety of thickness and sheet sizes such as A4, A3, letter, and tabloid. It also has the ability to do perforation cuts, kiss cuts, die cut, and media creasing. After cutting, the output will dispense into the catch tray. Create unlimited label sheets, small boxes, and tags with Label Maker F35. To know more about full digital label printing and finishing solutions, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.